Brian Young, ProTinkersToys.com, ProTinkers.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe us below here. We're doing another video on the Legends of the Quarter Mile. This is the fourth car in the series, the Legends of the Quarter Mile. And there's 4 cars, and this is number 4, Army 1973 Plymouth Cuda funny car. Plymouth Cuda, 1973 Plymouth Cuda. And there are 4 gear. This is the 4 gear, okay? Is your more powerful motor, double magnets on the bottom. And you can get these, you can use these for your drag strip races, my John Force drag strip, or any other drag strip where there's a new one coming out in December, okay? So this is the 4th car in the series. Number 1 was the U.S. Marine. Don Garlis was number 2. Cha-Cha Mudali was number 3. And the U.S. Army 1973 Plymouth Cuda funny car. Really awesome. This is an awesome series. You should have these in your series, okay, or set.